How to apply basic audio effects in Ocenaudio. First of all, open your audio file in Ocenaudio by clicking on File and selecting Open to choose your desired file. Once your file is loaded, you'll see the waveform of the audio on your screen. Next, highlight the section of the audio where you want to apply the effect. You can click and drag across the waveform to select a specific area or use Ctrl+A to select the entire track. Now, to apply an effect, go to the Effects menu at the top. Here you will find a variety of basic audio effects such as equalization, compressor, delay, time and pitch, and more. Let's start with equalization. Select Equalizer from the Effects drop-down and a window will pop up with various sliders. Adjust these sliders to enhance or cut certain frequencies to improve the overall sound quality of your track. Once you have made your adjustment, click Apply to apply the effect. If you are not happy with the result, you can always undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z. For more dynamic changes, you can experiment with other effects like compressor to shape the sound further. These effects can help make your audio feel fuller or more polished depending on what you need. You can also try other effects to enhance your audio. Once you are happy with the audio effects, save your file by going to File and clicking Save or Save As to keep the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to apply basic audio effects in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.